This is a recovery of Gulf Coast box turtle number 10. It's November 12th, 2020, 5:50 in the morning. It has a mass of 776 grams, length in the shell of 173, dome of height of 72, width of 128 millimeters. I got the data recorded here. It's last seen in October. It's dropped in weight 836 down to 776. This one's got some distinctive notches I put in years ago. 1, 2, and 3. There's one over here. Those were put in 5 years ago. And it did have some shell damage here that is gone 5 years ago. So it's actually gone from, the length was 163 5 years ago down to 173. And this is a male here. It's got a deep undercut here. And the dome height isn't very tall here compared to the length. And that's another key. I did put a 10 on there about a month ago with some paint, a little bit of flat back paint. That doesn't really last very long, isn't very good to do. But this one I just noticed this morning. I haven't seen any turtles here since the Hurricane Zeta, and so I decided just to take this one and put another data point in. There's the notch code. And they will scratch with their legs. Now this LED light I'm using is a little bit blue, but the arms on these are generally fairly dark. There's very little yellow compared to a female. That's just another clue. At least in this area. I'm not sure if that's always true, but I've noticed the females generally have arms. The front parts have got a lot of more yellow features on them. Seems like on the internet they tend to focus on the eye color, and I've never really found that to be a very good indication. But the females around here, the arms tend to have a lot more yellow markings on them. There's what the shell pattern looks like. I'll turn the light up some.